Hey y'all, we're in the kitchen today. We're going to make peanut butter pie. The original recipe makes Cool Whip or whip topping from scratch, which is great. I love that. But I had some Cool Whip. I decided to make this a real quick recipe. And you're just going to need a store-bought graham cracker crust. That'll work. And you don't even have to prep it or anything. So first thing you need is a cup of peanut butter. You can do crunchy or you can do creamy. So I just did the creamy. If I can get it out of this measuring cup. Let me see if I can get a rubber spatula. Maybe this will be a little bit easier. Let's see. Okay. Right. Okay. It's definitely a messy recipe. And it probably would have been really great with crunchy, but my husband likes creamy, and that's all I ever buy. Okay, so we got that in there. The next thing you need to do is put a whole 8-ounce brick of cream cheese in there. And I did soften it just a little bit in the microwave, but as long as it's room temperature, it'll be fine. Okay, I got that in there. Okay. And we're going to use a mixer to combine the powdered sugar that goes in it, or the confectioner sugar. So kind of mix all that in together a little bit. Heavenly. Okay, so the peanut butter pie is ready to cut, and it's just that simple. It's what? Peanut butter, confectioner sugar, cream cheese, and Cool Whip. See how pretty? Oops, see how pretty? That's it. It's been in the fridge for about 4 hours or so, and it's already set and ready to go. You can put some chocolate on top. That would be delicious.